Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch UEFA Europa League in UK. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our browser. On the search bar, we're going to search for BBC Radio 5 EUFA Europa League and then click on enter. Once you do that, you will see this link. So all you have to do is to click on it. And then in this part, as you can see, here are some of the episodes that you can watch. As you can see right here on the next on, there are no upcoming broadcasts for this time. And then same goes for the available now. So all you have to do is to wait for them to start streaming and then you should be able to see it right here. However, of course, you'll have to sign in first into their platform. And to do that, you'll just have to click on sign in. And then in this part, you can either continue with Google right here or you can just put your email. However, if you don't have an account yet, you can just scroll down and then click on register now and then just answer this and then put your email and then click on continue. And then a verification code will be sent into your inbox. So all you have to do is to put it and then put your password and then click on continue. After that, put your date of birth and then put your postcode and then put your gender and then click on register. After that, just click on continue once again. And then once you have now logged in into their account, you can now watch it right here. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.